So we have here one of the inner units ng the Regina Townhouse. So as you can see, yung pinaka-frontage niya or yung driveway niya, this measures like around 5 to 6 meters. So it's very wide. And we have here behind me is the car park. Any type of vehicle can fit, sedan man yan, van or such. This is actually a good space for you to park your car. Now, we actually have here our customized wide main door, which has 3 different lock features. So we have here for the fingerprint, and then you can also encode your PIN here, and at the same time, we have here the key. I'll just demo lang din yung when it comes with the PIN code. So you just have to tap this one, and then enter your PIN like this. There, and then the door will open. So good afternoon everyone! Nandito tayo ngayon sa isa sa mga unit ng Regina Townhouse. So this is an inner unit na kung saan this unit fits for 4 to 5 family members or para sa mga couple na gustong magkaroon ng kanilang sariling place. So as you can see, no, pagpasok pa lang ng main door, makikita nyo na agad yung cozy living room. So as for here, you can actually put your own furniture like sofa, and then there's a certain center table, and then we have here different accessories or furniture. So it's up to you kung paano kayo magde-design dito sa living room. We also have our television set here for the entertainment of our family or for the couple. Now, we have here our dining table, no, or the dining room. So, you can have a table like this and then have a cute setup like this one. Now, isa sa pinakamagandang feature ng unit na to is itong glass-through looking window, sliding door na kung saan makikita ninyo yung pinaka-carport or yung car park. So, you just have to open this one and then there. It's also an advantage, no, para magkaroon ng ganito since it can help proper ventilation sa loob ng bahay. We have here our kitchen. So as you can see, meron na siyang naka-set up na sink. Meron na ding fixed in na mga cabinets. And then we also have here our gas range. And another set of cabinets here na kung saan pwede ninyong ilagay yung mga kitchenwares like plates, bottles, or even yung mga utensils, you can put it here in the cabinet. And then, if ever gusto niyo mag-improvise, you can put your refrigerator here. And then, a certain table here para dito kayo magpe-prepare ng food or meal ninyo. And it's a good thing dito sa kitchen, no, na we have windows here. So it's for the proper ventilation para hindi masyadong mainit sa kitchen while cooking or while preparing your meal. Now, isa din sa magandang special feature ng ating unit, no, is itong area na to na kung saan meron tayong built-in na wall for our figurines or furniture. Right then, there's also a secret powder room. So we have here a sliding door. And as you can see, we have here a powder room na if ever may mga guests tayong may invite, they can use this one. Everything that you want to add here, it's up to you. Optional nyo naman kung ano yung gusto ninyong ilagay dito sa powder room na to. It's very convenient and save space siya sa ating house. Now, as part of this tour, let's go to our second floor. But before that, as you can see, no, we have here our stairs. So the stairs is made out of wood, and then the handrails is made out of steel. Fit talaga siya sa interior ng ating bahay. Then let's go to our second floor. Dito naman sa ating second floor, it's a good thing na meron tayong mga features here. So we have 3 bedrooms, comfort room, and then the other one is the laundry area. So we have here our comfort room. Very well furnished na siya, kung saan merong we have the sink, and at the same time we have the shower here. I think this shower curtain rod is actually optional for you kung gusto nyong lagyan or such. So it's up to you kung paano ninyo i-organize yung comfort room. So as you can see, it's very well ventilated. Naka-tiles na siya, so it's easy for you to clean it na din. On this side, we have here our laundry area. It's very well spacious din. So you can put here your washing machine or maglagay tayo ng konting sampayan dito since meron tayong provision sockets here for our washing machine. There. And then, isa din sa pinaka-feature nitong laundry area is we have here our exit or fire exit or escape. So if ever magkaroon man tayo ng mga emergencies or may mga mangyayari mang hindi kaaya-aya, so we can use this one. So now let's move on sa ating 3 bedrooms dito sa second floor. So for the first bedroom, let's proceed here. So there, this is a single type room. Pwede tayong magkaroon dito ng single bed, and at the same time, you can actually design this own room with your own furniture, like this table or this paintings. And at the same time, itong room na to, meron din siyang built-in closet kung saan pwede ninyong ilagay yung mga damit ninyo or other stuff. And then, for proper ventilation na lang din, meron tayong window here sa back door. So, you can just open this one to freshen up and such. So, this is just a cute room for your kids if you have any. Now, for our second room, we have here. So, this is our second room. So, as for this one, you can actually customize the bed. It's either single bed, double size, or even double deck can do. Then, you can actually put here different accessories and then design your own room. And at the same time, meron din siyang wide sliding window here. And then, we also have a provision for the aircon. And then, a built-in closet also for your clothes or your personal stuff. So, compared dun sa first bedroom natin, this is much spacious. So, it's up to you kung paano ninyo isi-set up yung mga furniture na gusto ninyo dito sa room na to. Now, isa sa exciting part dito sa second floor is yung ating third room, which is the master's bedroom. So, let's go here. Now, for our master's bedroom, so we have this one. Meron siyang queen-sized bed. And then you can customize with 2 tables on the side. And then over here, we have also a balcony from which you can see the townhouse complex. So as you can see, this is a great room for couples or for family sa mga parents natin. It's a good thing that we have this kind of feature here. Now, one of the best feature ng master's bedroom is itong walk-in closet natin. So we have here our walk-in closet. You can put your shoes here or your clothes here. And then meron ding mga available cabinets kung saan pwede ninyong ilagay yung mga different different accessories ninyo. Now, we have here also an available comfort room from which meron din siyang heater. One of the best thing dito sa Regina Townhouse Master Bedroom. So, as you can see, very nice ang mga rooms dito sa townhouse ng Regina. Now, just to give you an idea lang din, this second floor have 3 bedrooms, toilet and bath. And guess what? Ang master's bedroom natin, merong sariling comfort room and walk-in closet. And that's it for our tour for this unit. But just to summarize lang din, that our second floor have 3 bedrooms. One of which is the master's bedroom, and then we also have toilet and bath, the laundry area. While dito sa ating first floor, we have the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, and one powder area. Then, just to give you an idea lang din and a brief description of this unit. So, this unit measures lot area is 53 to 55 square meters, and then the floor area is 108.8 square meters. Then, just to inform you, the Regina Townhouse has 8 inner units. So, the total contract price of this one is 6,718,000. And then, with 20% down payment, that cost 1,289,000. Then, the balance of 80% through bank financing, which cost 5,153,000. So, have the monthly amortization for 15 years, that costs 42,792. So that's our inner units. Grab your unit here in the Regina Townhouse at AMOR.